how you can make eternal seeds in Hytale. So there are two types of seeds. One is the normal one and the eternal. The eternal is more handy because you don't have to plant seeds each time if you harvest the plant. So how you can get it? Just go to your farmer's workbench. If you open your tier 1 farmer's workbench, there is no available eternal seed, but from tier 2 there is available wheat seed bag, and carrot seed bag eternal is from tier 3. So you need to keep upgrading farmer's workbench to get eternal seeds. Once you have it, you can craft it. Eternal seeds bags have the green bag, and if you plant it, there are some green dots from that plant. I'm gonna speed up the process. And this is the difference. If I harvest the normal, it will break it and it will not plant it again automatically. And this is the eternal. I will get the lettuce and it will plant it again. So it's very handy. You don't have to plant the new one each time. So if you find this video any helpful, please leave a silly comment in the comment section and see you next time.